Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn on your vibration on your iPhone. It's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to turn on your vibration on your iPhone, first you want to click on the settings option. And once you're inside your iPhone setting, you want to scroll a bit down until you see this option called accessibility. And once you click on accessibility, you want to go inside this option called touch. So it's going to be available right below physical and motor option, the first one, touch. Click on it. Now once you're inside touch, scroll a bit down until you see this option called vibration. Once you see it, as you guys can see, my vibration is off, so just turn it on by clicking on this, and once it's green, it means your vibration is on. So that's how simply you guys can turn on your vibration. Now when somebody calls you or you get message or something, your phone will vibrate. So that's how you guys can turn on your vibration on your iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for more iPhone related videos just like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.